IMD upgraded Goa to a red alert on Wednesday as heavy rain continued to batter the state. The unrelenting downpour, which began on Tuesday, has not only caused widespread flooding but also disrupted air traffic. As of now, IMD has placed the state under an orange alert for Thursday and Friday, but if conditions do not improve, another red alert may be issued. Severe waterlogging has been reported in several areas, with Bicholi, Mapsa and Porvorim among the worst hit. Many videos show water levels rising to about waist height. So far, there have been no fatalities, but citizens are being urged to travel cautiously as tree falls and landslides are being reported across the state. The weather has also impacted traffic on land and in the air. On Tuesday, 2 flights were redirected and several passengers departing from Daboli were left stranded after flights were rescheduled or diverted. Authorities have asked passengers to check real-time flight updates as bad weather continues. Goa remains under an orange alert for Thursday and Friday, but another red alert is possible if the rain continues at current intensity. The forecast includes thunderstorms and gale force winds between 50 to 60 km per hour, raising the risk of further tree falls, wall collapses, and localized flooding. Citizens are advised to reschedule non-essential travel and avoid venturing out during these intense spells of rain. Meanwhile, the only relief has come in the form of cooler temperatures, with daytime highs now in the low 20s. On Thursday, the IMD predicted the maximum and minimum temperatures as 29 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius respectively. Widespread flooding reported. Worst hit areas include Bicholi, Mapsa and Porvorim. Water levels in parts of Goa rose to waist height. No fatalities reported so far. Travel caution advised. Tree falls, landslides reported across the state. Air traffic hit. 2 flights diverted, others delayed at Daboli Airport. IMD places Goa under orange alert for Thursday and Friday. Thunderstorms and gale force winds of about 50 to 60 km per hour expected in coming days. Red alert may return if heavy rain continues at current pace. Citizens urged to avoid non-essential travel and stay indoors during intense spells. Cooler weather persists. Daytime highs drop to low 20s. Maximum and minimum temperatures on Thursday 29 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius respectively. Bureau Report, Goa 365 with inputs from IMD.